Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily import AliExpress reviews to Shopify Loox. So just head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from the apps section that is found in the left panel, just click on it and just make sure that you already have installed the Loox reviews. Then just click on it, and in the left panel, just click on Reviews. Then just click on Import Reviews. And from the choices, just click on AliExpress. So just drag and drop to your bookmarks bar. So just open the relevant AliExpress product page and click the Import Looks button in your bookmarks bar to import reviews. So from the AliExpress page, just select on the product, say this product for example. Then once you're redirected, just click on Import to Loox. So from here, just click on how many reviews to scan and what ratings do you want to add and what reviews from which country do you want to add, and if you want to translate it to other languages. Can also check fetch most recent reviews or only reviews with photos, or import variant information with item types. So just select the product from your Shopify store. Just make sure that you already have an existing product. From here, you also have the option to reject or import a specific review. Then once done, just click on finish importing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!